Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make glutamine powder at home easy guide. Begin by verifying the L-glutamine grade and purity. Then measure with a precise milligram scale and wear gloves. Dry your workspace and tools, use a funnel for clean transfer, and label containers clearly to track batches and dosages for safe, repeatable results. When blending, use gentle, controlled motions to avoid heat and static that can degrade powder quality. Sift powders if needed to remove clumps and ensure homogeneity, then perform a small solubility check in water and adjust particle size or mixing time accordingly. Finally, transfer to sealed containers with desiccant and label with date and measured dose for safe, consistent use. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which cuts down cleanup time so you can focus on precise mixing and labeling. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Always adhere to recommended dosages and keep a tidy record of each batch and dose. Check expiration and storage conditions. Avoid cross-contamination by using dedicated scoops, and keep powders out of reach of children and pets. If you notice adverse reactions, stop use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Proper labeling and careful handling make homemade glutamine safer and more reliable for daily supplementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.